Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Once again it's me Maha Shehzad and you're watching Health Wenki. Have you ever thought to lose weight in a delicious way? Well, today we are going to do same of refreshingly nutritious smoothie recipes that go lighter on your stomach and for sure help you to break down your belly fats. Berry shake. Berries are packed with antioxidants as well as rich in vitamin C that boost your immune system to cut down your body fats faster. To do a berry shake, take half cup of strawberries, half cup of raspberries and half cup of blueberries. Add all the berries with raw milk and blend all the ingredients really well. Berry shake tastes delicious and low in calories. Try it in busy mornings to satisfy your cravings instantly. Chia seed Pina Colada. Chia seeds are high in folic acid and iron. They are rich in magnesium and calcium, which is significant for strengthening of bones and overall health. To make this super healthy drink, take 1 cup of pineapple slices, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds and 1 cup of coconut milk. Add all the ingredients in blender and sip in heavens. To add some flavor, you can garnish coconut oil on the top. Zero fat berry green smoothie. If you like green smoothies, then you would love this one. To make this zero fat berry green smoothie, add half cup of frozen raspberries, half cup of blueberries and 2 cups of spinach with 1 cup of water. Put all in the blender and enjoy perfect zero fat smoothie to lose body fats. This green berry shake works great to clean up without even losing your taste. These creamy shakes are perfect to start your bright day. These are full of protein and fiber that makes you feel fuller and promote breaking down body fats. Well, that's all for now. I'll see you in the next video with some other effective and super easy homemade remedies for all your health and beauty related issues. If you like this video, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe my channel Health Wenki.